What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over the 10 products that I would choose to restock my natural hair collection if for some reason something happened to it and I had it to start all over. So I did this a few videos back where I used products that I could just pick up off the ground. This one is products that I could get anywhere on the ground or order if I needed to restock. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the first one and you'll enjoy this one as well. This was very hard to do because I have so many things that I love, that I want in my natural hair collection, and so to try to narrow it down to just 10 was really difficult. I thought about, let's make the list a little bit longer, but as I made the list longer, then I was adding even more stuff, and then I was like, oh, I still need to put this and I still need to put this because of this, and it was just ridiculous. So I said, let's just keep it at 10 and I'm gonna suffer. And guys, again, this list is what I came up with when I was thinking about it. But hey, next week, if y'all ask me, some of these things may change, who knows. So, and then some of the things that was on that list is still on this list because hey, I just love them that much. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the shampoos again like we did before. And if I had nothing, if all my natural hair products were gone and I just had to go and pick up 2 shampoos, which 2 shampoos would they be? So I definitely would pick up the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado shampoo again because this is a moisturizing shampoo. It is my favorite one. I did a whole battle of moisturizing shampoos on my channel. I'll link it here. This one won. And believe you me, I have a lot of moisturizing shampoos that I love. I've talked about them before on the channel. I love them, but I love this one as well because it's just a step above for some reason. It just is. And you can definitely find this on the ground or you can order it from the site if you want to. So there you go. Now for my clarifying shampoo, this one I am going to pick the Adra Beauty Blue Tansy clarifying shampoo. Okay. And this was hard because I have some clarifying shampoos that I love as well. But I picked this one because it shocked me. I thought I was going to feel some stripping or whatever, but I didn't. It was very moisturizing. Even though it's clear like this, you think it's going to strip, but it was very it's a word I want. I mean, the suds just felt really good and softening. Got all kind of stuff back here. Forget what's back here on my desk. Anyway, but the suds were really softening and everything. So I really did like this one. The scent wasn't overpowering or anything like that. It was just a really good clarifying shampoo. A little goes a long way. This one you can order or find in like Sephora. This is the one that I would pick up if I just had to hurry up and get something real quick. And, you know, I wanted something a little bit better ingredients than the Texture ID that I used in the last one. Okay, so now again, since I've shampooed, I'm going to have to do a rinse out conditioner so I can detangle, and I'm going to go ahead and stick with the Texture ID 3 times moisture conditioner because of the same reasons I told you in the previous video. I can use this as a leave-in. I can use it as a cold wash for a midweek, and I can use it as a rinse out. It has a lot of slip, and I love this for a rinse out for a detangler. I just do. I can get it in this big size, save some money. So this has all pros to it in my opinion. So yeah, instead of going out finding something totally different, I'm just gonna stick with this. This is what I would pick up for my rinse out. Now, after that, I'm going to need to deep condition. So I'm getting ready to add some deep conditioners from brands that I love. So y'all know that I love the Nature's Little Secret. And, you know, I didn't put this in the previous one because I was just getting stuff on the ground. But this one, if I could order, I wasn't limited to getting it on the ground, I would pick this one up. This is the Nature's Little Secret Coconut Milk Strengthening Deep Conditioner. I love this deep conditioner. I love all Nature's Little Secrets deep conditioners. There's not been one that I haven't liked yet. But I picked this one because I was like, okay, let me get one that has a little bit of strengthening in it. And then for my second deep conditioner, I will choose from another favorite brand of mine, which is the She Scented brand. And I love their avocado moisture mask, I believe is what it's called. Again, don't have it on hand, I'm out of it. So, but it looks like this. It's this color, so it comes in this color packaging. Yeah, this is the conditioner to the line, but I'm talking about the deep conditioner. It comes in a jar like regular deep conditioners, but it's this color. I'll try to get a picture of it if I can here. That is one that I definitely would have in my arsenal as well because I like it. Both of these that I mentioned have a lot of slip. They pack a lot of moisture. They smell really good. My hair loves avocado, and you know, my hair does well with coconut milk as well. So for me, those are no-brainers. I always want to have deep conditioners in my arsenal that have some slip, just in case I can't detangle with the shampoo or I run out of my rinse out conditioner. I want my deep conditioner to have some slip. Some people don't require that, don't care about that. I do. I like my deep conditioners to have some slip. Now, I do have some that don't have a lot of slip, but I normally will use those, you know, after I've already detangled with the rinse out or something like that. But if I have my preference, I prefer them to have some slip. That's me. So those are the two deep conditioners that I definitely would want in my stash if I was starting all over. And then if I was starting all over, guys, for my leave-in, I am going to say the Nature's Little Secret Avocado Moisture Cream. Y'all know I was going to say this. Now that I can order, this is going to be on the list, okay? I love this avocado moisture cream. It is so moisturizing. It pairs well with a lot of stuff. It works as a moisturizer as well on dry hair, as well as a leave-in on wet hair. So I can put this into my hair and scrunch it and not get balls, and I can moisturize a dry wash and go. But I definitely love it as a leave-in as well. So again, this is twofold. So I'm getting two products in one with this, and can't go wrong with that. And my hair loves some avocado, so this is, yeah, had to choose this one. And then I also wanted to choose the Curl Origin Maracuja Moisture Hair Milk. You guys know I love this one too. I definitely use this one as a leave-in as well. It's a little bit thinner, seeps right into the hair, works well as a leave-in, but also works well as a moisturizer. Again, I can scrunch it on top of my hair if I need a little bit of moisture. I love the Curl Origin Maracuja line, and it was hard because I was thinking about putting the deep conditioner from this line in here, but then I thought, kind of like the She Scented avocado, so we're gonna go with the She Scented, and then I'll go with the moisture milk from the Curl Origin line. Can't go wrong with She Scented or Curl Origin in my opinion, but I definitely needed to add this to my list. So again, if you are technical about it, I got 3 leave-ins and I got 2 moisturizers. Doing it like this, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta get all the bang for your buck, okay, that you can. Next, after the moisture milks, I'm gonna go in with a cream / butter. And again, remember, like I said in my previous video, I can get a good twist out with the moisture milks, with the creams, with the leave-ins, pretty much. So I am looking for something that's going to give me some moisture plus, you know, some hold if I wanted to do a twist out. And so I have chosen for this one the Camille Rose Curlate Moisture Butter. I love this moisture butter. I use this when I do slick back styles to put under the gels, harder holding gels, and it just keeps that gel from getting real crusty and hard and keeps the hair moisturized. It adds some shine to the hair, so it's really good under harder holding gels, and I can use this that way under a wash and go. If I'm using a harder holding gel as well, it's going to help to soften it a little bit. I also would use this just to twist out with if I wanted to, just to pull my hair back in a low bun. If I wanted to wet my hair, wash it or whatever, and my hair is still wet, I just want to put this on and pull it back and have some moisture in my hair and let it air dry. This is be good for that. So I picked up this one this time, and this one has green tea and jojoba in it. And sorry guys, my card was full, so I had to empty it. I had to take something off of it. But anyway, I was going to say that this one, I don't hear a lot of people talking about it, but it smells good. All Camille Rose products smell really good and cake-like or cookie-like or whatever. So if you like smells like that, more gourmand smells or whatever, you would like this. But it's a good moisturizer, so that's why I want it on my list. So I definitely want to have this in my arsenal. And then when I'm talking about stylers, I am, for my wash and go, which is what I normally go to, I'm going to definitely have the Main Choice Pearly Braid Out Glaze as a styler. I get a nice fluffy wash and go that still has a lot of definition in it. It is softer, it's moisturized, doesn't feel real crunchy, so that is something that I like. And don't get me, listen, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of gels that I like that give me a fluffy look, okay? And I had a hard time picking which one I wanted to pick. But I chose this one because it comes in 12 ounces. Well, another one does too. But this one, if I need to try to find it on the ground, I can. But I can also order this one, and I can use this one alone if I need to. It was just hard. It was just hard. It just, I don't know. I mean, I want to pick the other. Listen, I want to have like 5 gels, but I got to do what I got to do. So I went on and just picked the Main Choice. Like I said, these things could change next week, but today I picked the Main Choice for a fluffier wash and go. And then again, for one that I want to be a little bit more elongated if I wanted to, a little bit harder, a lot more longer lasting, I chose the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls again. So this one does give me a fluffy wash and go too, depending on how much I use and what I use it with. But it also can give me a more elongated wash and go with curls that can last me up to a good week if I let them. And it adds a lot of shine to my hair. And again, I can find this on the ground or whatever. So this one made it to the list again. And again, this one just works with everything. So I don't think I would have a problem with it working with any of the leave-ins that I chose for it. So yeah, this is going to take the place of like a Eco or a Wet Line, because I definitely would have had one of those in my collection if I didn't have this, because you got to have a little bit of a harder holding gel for those days when you just need your hair to last for a week, or it's rainy, or whatever the case may be. You just got to have a harder holding gel sometimes. So I would have chose Wet Line or Eco, and I actually did have Eco on here, but I took it off and I just went on and said I'll go with this one, because this will give me enough longevity for me and how I wear my hair. But if I want something a little bit softer, a little bit fluffier, then I chose the Pearly Braid Out Glaze. So yeah guys, so those are my 10 products that I would choose for my arsenal if I was able to order as well. You knew that Curl Origin, She Sent It, and Nature's Little Secret was going to have to be in my video somewhere, because I always talk about those products. So yeah, had to do that. And for people who aren't worried about ordering and paying for shipping and paying a little bit higher prices for things, I thought I would do one. And then for those of you who don't necessarily want to order and pay for shipping, that's why I did the first video where you can find most of those things on the ground. So again guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments section, if you could only pick 10 products, what would your 10 products be? And let me know how hard it was for you, because this was hard for me. If you want to see something like this again in the future, jot that down in the comment section below as well, and I'll try to get that to you. But yeah guys, thumbs up the video if you like it. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next upload. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.